In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Grok AI. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on your eyes or you're working late into the evening, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. I'll walk you through the process clearly and simply so you can get it done in moments. First, open your Grok account. This just means launching Grok in your browser or opening the app and getting into your workspace so you can see your usual home screen. Give it a second to load so all your controls are visible. Once you're in, we'll head straight to the place where appearance preferences live. Next, click your profile. You'll typically find the profile icon in the upper corner of the screen. It may look like a small avatar, your initials, or a user silhouette. Clicking this opens a quick menu designed to give you easy access to your personal options. From that menu, click Settings. Settings is where Grok keeps all of your account and interface preferences. It's often represented by a gear icon, and it opens a dedicated page or panel with categories arranged in a simple list. This is where we'll adjust how Grok looks. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Appearance. This is the hub for visual themes and display choices. Under Appearance, you'll see the option for dark mode. It may appear as a toggle switch, a button, or a selectable theme tile. Simply click dark mode to turn it on. As soon as you do, the interface will shift to a darker color palette. Think charcoal backgrounds with light text, so menus, chat areas, and panels are easier to read in low light. This change is immediate, and you won't need to restart anything. Take a moment to glance around the screen and make sure the text and contrast feel comfortable to you. If you want to switch back later, you can return to the same appearance area and choose the option you prefer. It's the exact same path: Profile, Settings, then Appearance. Keeping this route in mind makes it quick to adjust whenever your lighting changes. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, click your profile, click Settings, and under Appearance, select Dark Mode.